Hey guys, I want to get on here and give you a little daily dose of encouragement. Oh, what a blessing it is to have family in your life. No matter who it is, it's so a blessing. Take every opportunity to be with a family member whenever you can. With us living far away from family, and our family we don't see them that often. They're here this weekend. We've got on my husband's side family, which is a part my family too as well. But to have them come and visit, a lot of times we wish we had family around us all full time, but that can't happen for us since we do live in a different state. So we have these wonderful family members that are here for the weekend to have fun and love and just cherish beautiful memories. I hope you'll have beautiful memories this weekend. I hope you'll find that perfect time to tell them that you love them, give them a hug, and thank them for coming to see you. I hope you guys have a great day, happy day. Be kind, be kinder than they are, and don't forget to give a smile. If you do, you might get one back. Until tomorrow, I love you. I'm sending you a hug. Feel it?